This is Midea Inverter 4. It's an inverter for even and efficient heating by Midea. And it is inverter type, so as per the salesman, it uses inverter energy saving because microwave oven generates heat and the heat generation causes a lot of electricity. So the inverter type of you see inverter 4 is the model. Nothing fancy, manual knobs, so it's way cheaper. It costs 3,100 on a local appliance store, and as per the salesman, it's way more energy efficient and less power consumption to heat things. Microwave energy consumes a lot of electricity, converting electrical energy to microwave energy to heat. So I hope this will last because the former microwave oven didn't last that long due to power surge, perhaps courtesy of our electric cooperative.